lot of sacrifices for this shit, man, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, what's up, everybody? You know, it's JJ back at it here again. Probably won't do a Wednesday walk around of a vehicle today because it's already Wednesday and I got some things to do today. But I'm here at the auction already. You know, the auction starts. It's a dealer-only auction. It happens every Wednesday. Oklahoma Auto Exchange. It's going on right now, but me, I kind of just hang out outside and walk around and just check and see everything they got, you know, for at least the first 20-30 minutes, because they only run 2 lanes at the beginning of the auction, so it's a lot of people just be crowded and just looking at everything in the 2 lanes. So you're gonna end up like, that's why I wait until they open all 4 lanes and everybody disperse a little bit, because you know, when it's just the 2 lanes open, everybody's odds is right there, and then you end up getting into a bidding war, and then you end up, you know, you might get the car that you want, but then you look up and be like, man, I paid a little bit more than what I wanted to, because you know, you stuck into a bidding war because it's only these 2 lanes. And you know, you don't want to lose. A lot of times people don't want to lose out on the bids, but me, I'll just chill out here for, you know, 30 minutes, scope the area, you know. And it's also best, I say it's always best to me, I always just chill out here for a little while, because it's so loud in there, because so many people talking, and then the auctioneers, you know, catching bids left and right, so it's loud. You can probably hear it from all the way out here, you know, how loud it is in there. But you know, it's pretty loud in there right now, but this is the best time because they have all the cars running. So now you can basically hear the cars running, and you know, auto drivers, you know, put them in the gear, rev them up a little bit. You can do all that out here compared to what you can do when they start going through the lanes. But yeah, just walk around and see what's all out here today, you know. So you don't get an actual car walk around, but you get a day of the auction sale walk around, just to show you, like, because they're running like 600 plus cars, and they do this like every week. So you know, good amount of cars that they have in here every week. So let y'all just see, like, just the cars outside. There's probably about another 50, 60 cars parked on the inside, because you know, there's some cars that it's not running that's going to get pushed through and stuff like that. So but let's get you some footage. Got another BMW 4-door. Getting that inside footage of inside of a dealer-only auction, man. You know, just the inside of it, what it looks like when it's going on. So you know, you guys getting that inside footage, you know. A lot of cars, 600 plus cars, close to 700 cars ran weekly, so a lot to choose from, you know. You know, all cars ain't gonna be good, you know, so, you know, but a lot of these times this is from a lot of these big dealerships, and you know, they don't have the time to actually check them out one-on-one, so they don't know if it's good or bad. They just run in and see what they can get, you know. It's up to you to do your research, and basically, you know, if you can get to the auction a little bit earlier like I do, and you know, you can do this whole walk around, and then you can, you know, start them up, check them out, not wait till last minute until they get into the lane and then try to check it out, and then you didn't really get to check it out much and stuff like that. Then you get stuck with a bad car, you know. But it happens that way, you know.
Hey. Down there towards the end, Brad.
There you go. Look at that. See? Stuff. You know, check these cars out. You know, make sure they're not making any motor noise. You know, start them up. You know, they got them out here running so you can get a good check, good view of them, and make sure they're not running hot or anything. Then, like I said, you know, have the drivers put them in driving reverse. You know, at least, you know, see if it's going in driving reverse. Then, you know, go from there. You know, that only tells you a little bit, but you know, you can't really tell about transmission till you really get out there on the road. What's going on, homie?
Hey, I need you to buy this car for me.
You need me to buy a car from you?
Yeah, buy a car for me. You know right there? It's right there. It's gonna run down 8 lane here in a minute. It's old Mercury, kind of gold faded paint.
Yeah, gotcha. See what I can do for you.
All right. I got the money in my pocket.
I know you do. You know my dad, so, you know, I know him personally, so, you know, if I can help him out, I'll help him out. So, try to do it as best I can, you know, especially with a lot of these.
Y'all do YouTube videos and shit?
Yeah.
How's that working out, man?
Oh, it's working out good, man. You're on the channel.
Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Here we are in Oklahoma City trying to buy some cars.
Oh, your dealership not here?
Do what?
Your dealership not in here?
Yes, sir. It's actually in Yukon, Oklahoma.
What's it called, man?
SNA Motors.
Okay. Y'all go check them out, man. When
Yeah,
y'all
please do. Please come back and see us. We've got the best cash deals. We don't finance, but we got the best cash deals in Yukon. So we've been there for almost 5 years now, and we're here to serve the entire state of Oklahoma. Now, you all take care.
Alrighty. Appreciate you, man. You have a good one. Yeah, but like I said, I try to, you know, a lot of times what you can do, build some good relationships with the people that work here at the auctions, you know, help them out, you know, because they can't bid on these cars. So, I mean, you help them out, then, you know, in the future they help you out, you know, because build that good relationship, then they'll be the ones to let you know, because they're the ones get to see the cars more than you. You're going to be able to see them. So, you know, they'll let you know if they're good or bad and not like that. But, you know, help them out, you know, because they're working, so they don't have the access to be actually in the lane and bid or anything. So, but do your best to help them out if you can, you know. But yeah, let's get some more footage and on to the next part of this. Yeah, so the auction's over with now. I mean, they had some pretty good deals going on today. I was able to get me 4 cars today. My thing is, like, I try to buy 2 to 3 inexpensive cars, then just buy 1 high priced car. It's just kind of how I do it, you know. Buy me a couple cars I can make 500 off of. That's going to sell quickly. That's going to make 700 that sell quickly. And then, you know, I try to buy like at least 1 or 2 that I know that's not going to sell too quick, but I can make a good profit off of. So that's kind of my philosophy. So I was able to get, I got 3. Hopefully the auction's about to close here in the next 30 minutes. So hopefully, I think I said I got 4, but I know I got 4, but 1 was on the call. So hopefully the auction calls me here before they close and let me know that I got the last one. If they don't, you know, it's okay. You know, I'm able to get my 3 cars for the week that I can fix up and sell. I mean, I already sold 2 cars this week, so my thing is just to get 1 more car sold. So it's Wednesday, you know, get 1 more car sold for the week, and I completed my goal of 3 cars this week. And then, you know, anything more than that, you know, it's just icing on the cake. So, you know, but yeah, I appreciate all the support, and I'm gonna just end this video right here. It's hot. I'm picking up some cars. You know, one of the cars I picked up didn't have any AC. I don't know if it needs to be charged or not, but I'll get that checked out tomorrow. That's the thing, like when here in Oklahoma it gets hot so quickly, you know, when you're picking up cars and driving them back to your lot, you know, you're driving cars that they running good, but the AC don't work and it's hot outside. And then like one of them didn't have AC, it didn't have AC, and the driver's side window didn't roll down, so it's hot. So yeah, I got them all back to my lot. I'll do a thorough check over them on Thursday tomorrow, so I'll check them all over tomorrow, and then, you know, check them all over, and then I'll post them up for sale on Friday and leave them up for Friday, and then Friday and Saturday. So you know, so get them all checked out tomorrow. You know, they all ran and stuff good, but then I'll, you know, take them to get the oil change, you know, because my buddy, I don't know if y'all seen him on the mechanic shop, he does oil changes for like 25 bucks. So, you know, take them, get the oil changes, you know, top up all the fluids, you know, drive them, make sure they run them right, you know, let them run for a few hours, you know, make sure there's no overheating problems, you know, then get them all cleaned up and get some pictures taken, and then get them out there ready for sale, you know. But yeah, I appreciate the support and thank you. I'm out.